Hello, I'd like to present you our new product. It's a mobile application for augmented reality. It is how it is working. So you can see the cat there. It is playing with a ball. You can push buttons to call to the company mobile phone, or push button to create an email. Also, you can add the character to talk about benefits of your product. Or you can add a video describing your product and how it can be useful for the customer. So on the flyer like this one, no need to add any boring text anymore, because you can add interactive content there. If you don't want to force your clients to install mobile application, you can also use our webAR modular to access scenes with QR codes like this. And the same scene is already here. Thank you, and call me when you have some questions if you want to try this.